Everrati is excited to announce its partnership with Gulf Oil International. The timeless Gulf orange and blue race car livery is easily one of the most respected and globally recognized color schemes in all motorsports, and the Gulf livery will be officially licensed as part of this partnership. This electric-powered Porsche 911 964 Gulf Signature Edition reimagined by Everrati has 500 bhp and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in sub 4 seconds, with a 150 plus miles of range and 53 kilowatt-hours battery pack. Everrati redefines some of the world's most iconic cars, enabling them to be driven and enjoyed with a clean future. Under the new partnership, Everrati customers will have the opportunity to commission Gulf-liveried electric sports cars, further extending automotive passion alongside clean technology. A globally recognized and trusted brand, Gulf, traditionally known as a downstream oil company, is synonymous around the world with high-quality products, innovation and technical excellence, but is now actively moving into the e-mobility and electric vehicle sector, aligning directly with Everrati's attributes. Gulf's strong brand presence stems back to the glory days of motorsports, and their infamous racing colors will now grace future Everrati models of the customer's choosing.